So, this is the second test. This time I have headphones, so maybe that's different. And the audio de escritorio is at minus 20.2 decibels. We're playing Elden Ring, so let's see how that goes. Just gonna be roaming around. No 3 hours, that's for sure. Just a couple, you know. Just some random roaming. There used to be a girl here, and now she's gone. I finished her side quest, and I don't even. Oh yeah, I got this, which is cool. It raises my dexterity, and I like dexterity, so we chillin'. Wonder if there's something on top of the horse. No horse. Horse. There we go. Wonder if there's something on top of the thing. I don't see anything. Hey! What? Who are you? I had no clue. There were enemies here. Okay. At least it wasn't that hard. That was a surprise. Okay. Well, we chillin'. Where should I go? Why am I looking? I don't need that anymore. Do I have souls? I do not. I've been exploring this area, even though it's not where I should be going. I think I should go back to where I was last time, actually, which is after the boss, Godric, and this guy that is just... No, the other way. No, this way. Yeah, there he is. The guy just stomping the head. He's been doing this for days, if you think about it. Yes. You do? You can do whatever. You can, mate. And everything you sell sucks. I guess this is kind of interesting. Actually, no. You suck. I'll leave you alone. Okay, so this is how it's been at minus 20.2 decibels. I'm gonna increase the volume a little bit to let's say 15. It's audio de escritorio. It's at 15 now. Let's see how it goes. I'll be opening a door. Ooh, loud. Pots. Sure. Throne. Doors. Can I sit on the throne? Yeah, let's go. Si soy. The king. Is that it? Can I break it? I can't even attack. The game does not let me attack. Interesting. Left or right? I'll go left. I'll go left. Damn. Now I'm curious. What was the right? This seems to be a long way. What was over here? Is it the same thing? Do these lead to the same place? They do not. This looks so empty. What is this? What's the purpose of this room? Seems to have no purpose. Okay, sure. Whatever. Guess I'll just go here. What was that? It sounded like a lion on the floor. Okay. I could do that. Is that the only option? Seems so. Really? Can't use my horse. Okay. There's the outside and some weird spirit guy. What do you gotta say? Maven. Your grapes. I'll take your grapes. Shabriri grape. I took your grapes. Oh. Are you okay, bro? Can't even figure out what the body is looking like. Anyway, he seems troubled. This is just a giant big castle. Oh! Oh! That's how you were supposed to get down. I see. Anyways. That was it? Giant big castle with grapes. Now what? Okay. So there's, ooh, shiny magical light. Liurnia of the Lakes. Interesting. Okay. Computer went bzzz. Computer went brrr. I need 14,000 to level up. I'm such a high level. I think I'm too overpowered for this at the moment. So I'm supposed to go over there. Sure. I guess I can. I guess I will. I want to go on my horse. This game is just Dark Souls on a horse. So I like being on a horse. It's the thing that makes it special. Tiny, tiny, tiny castle. Church of Earth. Sure. Oh, let's go. Stuff. Let's go. Sacred Tear. Amazing. Ooh, person. Yes, I am. I don't have some. Did you? 10 runes? Okay, that's cheap. High tops. No, I didn't read. Oh, sure. Yes, they suck. I don't even have enough money. Okay. Damn, I keep skipping. That sucks. How do I get a glintstone key? Okay. What about selling? Yes. Ooh. What? We don't know about that. I'll have to ask Selin later though. I wanna see. Oh, that's what you mean? No. He said north. What's the structure in the north? Is that it? Oh yeah. Anyways. Give me enemies. I wanna fight stuff. I wanna see how overpowered I am for this. How do you get there? Huh? Is there like a cave thing? There must be a teleportation device somewhere. Crystal bud, okay. Hello, skeleton man. Are you gonna come back to life? I gotta hit you before that happens. Okay. So how it works with these skeletal men is that if you don't hit him, so for example, if I don't hit him there, he just kind of whooshies his way back to life. Damn, this guy is strong. Ay. Okay. So yeah, now he whooshy his way back to life. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I need to take this a little bit more seriously. Die. Why are you so strong? Why are you so strong? I did not think you were gonna be this strong. Are you like a big boy skeleton? Okay. It's intimidating. I think I'm gonna go fight tiny skeleton. Yeah. Okay. Now it's big boy. Ow. Can't I backstab you or something? I cannot. Damn, I was not expecting to lose all this life. Some random skeleton enemy. Don't come back to life. Thank you. Okay. Well, that was a waste of Estus. I'll have to get some warming stones. Come on. That was not worth it. That was not worth it at all. Anyways, that was around 15 audio descriptorio. I'm gonna prop it back down to like minus, let's say minus 19. Minus 19.2. That's what it's at. Let's see like this middle ground of audio descriptorio. See how it works. Because I worry that you either can't hear it or you can hear it too loudly. It's a gap. Okay. Are there gonna be more of y'all? Oh my god. Hello. Several. Okay, but y'all are chill. You're not like big boy Skelly. Oh. That's not nice. There you go. Academy scroll. Ooh, that's probably for my bestie back at the church. I suppose. I mean, I could give it to Selin, the mage he was talking about, all the way near the beginning of the game. But I think he'd like an Academy scroll. Also, because, I mean, if Selin is such a good sorcerer, she probably already knows these scrolls. Because they're Academy, you know, beginner. Let's see. I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. I've circled this mountainy area. Die. 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 What do I do? What do I get? I need a sense of direction. Just further down below. I guess I could go further down. Ooh, spooky. Tiny animals. Fruits. Let's get on the horse. Yeah, there's definitely more stuff over here. Let's go. What was that? Mushrooms and shit. Okay. Nothing over here. Nothing on the other side. So it seems. Just gotta go down below. It's like a camp. Oh, these are enemies. Can I sneak up on them? Sneaking. How strong are you? You're a different enemy. Yeah, you survive. Ow, bitch. Chill the fuck out. Okay. Chill. You don't survive. You did survive. Damn. Okay. I don't one-shot them, but I do good damage. He's kind of like stuck, which is funny. Come over here. Make this easier for me. I could start looting, but I think I should probably get rid of everyone first. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sneak attack on this guy. Also, there's something I dislike about this game, which is that, you see right there, I sneak attacked this guy, two-handed. You see I'm grabbing the sword with two hands? That's two-handed. Ow! Damn. Dude, I'm explaining. Give me a second. So I'm two-handing the weapon. Huh? Huh? Did I just glitch something? Is that a thing? I had 4 drinks at the bottom left. It's at where it says 5. I had 4. But every time you kill a group of enemies, you get one free. And I kind of drank it at the same time when I was getting it, and it counted as if I hadn't used any. I'm confused. Glintstone Craftsman's Cookbook. A cookbook? Okay. Sure. Anyways, the thing I was saying I dislike about this game, a little bit, is that it seems like two-handed attacks and one-handed attacks. They do different damage, but not when it comes to backstabs or critical hits like a riposte after a parry. And that's odd, because you'd think two-handed would preserve its strength even after being, well, despite it being a riposte or a backstab. But no, two-handed weapons are only stronger when they're normal attacks. I see shiny stuff. This is another thing about this game. There are so many areas to rest, like this one. There's almost too many. Actually, no, there are definitely too many. Too many lost graces. Can we talk to our bestie? Nope. Oh, but we got the sacred tear. Yeah. Let's go. Now we have an Estus flask. Or a flask of crimson tears +3. That's great. That's big, actually. Hello. Yes, I am. You're just in the middle of the road. Great. Will do. Uh-oh. Shady merchant. Sure. A lantern? Oh no. Oh no. Makes me feel like something terrible's about to happen. Like shit's about to go dark. Should probably get it. Safest bet. Okay. Good. Now what? Where are we going? Where am I? I have no map. I wish I had a map. There's a pillar right here. Does that indicate I haven't been paying enough attention to the game to notice where I get my maps from? But I have a slight suspicion that maybe I get them from places like that. Do I? Uy. Damn. Hey. Chill. Okay. Easy peasy. Is this a map? It is! Let's go. Okay, great. Is that really where you get maps? The pillar-like things. Oh, so this is a map. And this is a map. I've been so close to maps. I just didn't really know. Those. What about this? Oh, this one's far away. Wow. Great. Okay, I learned something. Damn, this map reaches very far. There's a tree. There's kind of like a volcano looking ass thing. There's the ship. Oh, this is definitely a boss fight. Because it has like this huge tower thing. Same as this boss. And they had his own huge tower thing. Divine Tower, that's what they call him. There's definitely a boss somewhere around there. Great, let's explore this peninsula. Let's go over there, see what's up. Hopefully I don't... What? Ooh. You see that weird tornado looking ass thing? If you jump with the horse. Oh, it's one of these. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. An Evergal. Sure, I'll try it. Is there a Steak America somewhere? A Steak America is a magical thing that when you die, you don't come back to life in the last place you rested at. You come back to life at the Steak America, or at least it's an option. And it's usually around these places, but I don't see it. I'll just assume it's here. So these are like weird teleportation battles that put you like in an alternate universe. They're kind of hard. Okay, so you take damage. You take damage. You might not be that hard, honestly. No, this is okay, I don't want to say a pushover. What the fuck? Okay, that looks cool. Whoa, fire looks cool in this game. Okay, but you suck. What? You can drink? Oh my god. Pyromancy looks so cool in this game. The one game I decided not to be a pyromancer. And he's doing stuff like that. Wow. That looks incredible. And there's area of effect damage. I'm taking damage. Uy. No. Don't die. Just kill him. There we go. First try. This was pretty easy, honestly. Okay. Ooh, and I got the thing. Flame of the Fell God. Let's go. Okay, and we're back to our world. Wow, that was good. That was too easy. I think I'm too overpowered, honestly. But, hello, guy. Whoa, these are stronger, I think. There are these weird onyx snake things in each of those teleportation. I guess the Evergals. But, I think they're getting stronger. Also, oh look, a thing. The spot I was pointing at, the peninsula looking thing, I don't think we can get there at the moment. I think it's inaccessible. But we can get there, to that place. Which has a thing. I want a thing. Damn, I'm so good. Call me Mario Bros. Sacrificial twig? What even is that? I have a tough time finding things in the menu. I wish there was like a recently acquired slot. Sacrificial twig. You see, I don't even bother with most of the items because I don't know where to find them. I don't know how to use them. In other words, I suck. I just suck at the game. I don't know where it is. Oh. Will be lost on death in place of rooms. I already had one. Okay, great. Hi, I'm back. And now I have money. I can buy the cookbook. Let's go. Now, where to go if we can't go here? Should we just walk around through the middle of the fucking... Yeah, let's just walk around. But we gotta rest up to fill up our bottles. Our crimson flask. Yeah. Flask of Crimson Tears. That's what it's called. Let me just roam around for a bit. Get a sense of where we are. There's a whole lot of nothingness. A whole lot of water. And a rock. Oh, and shiny. What are those? What's that? Jellyfish? Do. That was threatening. Ow. Well. I should probably have a drink of this. A huge lobster. And he's strong. I should get on my horse. Well, that was sudden. Okay. Ooh. Have another drink. Come on. What? Did you restore your life? You didn't. Okay. The health bar was mine, or my horse's. Torrents. Got scared for a bit. Okay, now. Butterflies. Butterflies. Jellyfish. Oh, scary. Oh, you're scary too. Do you turn that color when you're annoyed? Is that what's going on? Okay. Giant cave. I guess we're going in. See, we have another one of these. There's so many. Not even far away from the last one. Anyways. This was a good sound check, I think. It's a 19.2. I think we're gonna chill here. Or should I get through the cave? I might want to get through the cave first. Look! Summoning pool. Caves could be long though. I don't know how long it's gonna be. It looks inviting. Crystal cave moss. Cave moss. Okay, I can only go down. Kill it. Okay, I'm just gonna spit it. What's that? Am I getting poisoned because of the floor? Or because of what was shot at me? I don't really know. Gotta drink up. I mean, if I'm already poisoned, I could just tank through. Just kill this thing. Kill the babies first. Die. Die. There's this sorcerer who I think just fell into the pool. Yeah, there we go. You're the one that's annoying me. You're the issue. There we go. Now I'm poisoned, which is annoying. Okay. Ow. Oh, there's a bunch of y'all. Stop it. Okay. Do I really want to deal with y'all? Oh, it's heat seeking. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave y'all. Stop it. Oh, is there a way to get through? Without... Oh, I think there was a way to get through. Yeah, there was definitely a way to get through. I just didn't see it. Okay. I'm dumb, and you are really eager to fight me. Okay, but if he jumped, that means I can jump, right? Yeah. Great. So... more enemies, what a surprise. Just in case, I'm gonna check pulling the audio down to like -10. Just for a bit, just to check. Audio's at -10. 10.4 actually. Let's see how it goes. Bats! Oh, I died. I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at the thing. I was looking at OBS. Okay. Whatever. Whatever. Now I gotta go back. I need my souls. Now I know there's a way through. I've learned. I've learned the error of my ways. Where are my souls? Stop it. Oh, come on. I just want my souls. I see. I thought you could only get hit by the poison missile. But no, there's like this area of effect afterwards. Why can't I hit the bat? There we go. Yeah, so I got distracted for a bit and stopped paying attention at the poison. Should I bother going down there? Is there anything of value? I don't see it, so I'm just leaving. This looks like it could take me to some boss fight. Eventually. Eventually. I'm just gonna walk around until I reach that point. Which is now. I've reached the point. I've reached the boss fight. Where's the Steak America? It should be around here. I don't see it. Okay. Gotta go through the piss mist. Clear night. Oh, I fought. What? Okay. Okay. I fought these before. But as normal enemies. And I wasn't poisoned, so I guess that's something. I didn't know this was like a sub-boss. I always enter these caves a little late, once the enemies have become normal. You see, it's a thing in the Dark Souls type games. That enemies that used to be bosses later become normal. Ow. But this one's being a pain in the ass. Probably because of the poison, honestly. Damn. Okay. This is annoying. I don't want to use my summon though. I have to drink. I cannot afford to take damage. I go what I got. I took damage. No. Okay. Okay. I think that was a good enough test for -10. Gonna bring it back down to some like -30. It's -30.6. Let's go back to the Steak America. Hopefully this leaves me super close to where I want to be. I don't even remember. Oh yeah. Great. Yeah. Great. Let's just get through it. Traverse the mist. I want my souls, first of all. And now we can start fighting it. Ow. Ow. Okay. I am hyper focused. There we go. We interrupted the attack. Oh, not that one. Ooh, got the parry. Let's go. Okay. Okay. What are you gonna do? That's it. I should drink this. Become stronger for a bit. Okay. There we go. I have too many flasks. I should start drinking. Oh, there's no poison here. I should have been here earlier. No. Two-handed jump attack? Almost. There we go. That wasn't difficult. Winged sword insignia. I think I just had like the scarlet rot he gave me at the beginning. And I was poisoned very early on. So it looked harder than usual. But it was chill. It was very chill. It's actually a little embarrassing that I lost to that enemy. So what did I get? Winged something. Where is it? Where is it? Actually, where... For real, where is it? Where's the thing I got? The winged stuff. I don't know what these are. I struggle finding things. Oh, is it an Ash of War? It's not. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Raises attack power with successive attacks. Okay, cool, I guess. I'm about to die. Ooh. I forgot I was poisoned. Oh my god. Damn, that was a close call. That was a close call. I mean, it was right there, but still. Dying is not fun. I'm still poisoned. Get me out of here. Jellyfish. And you're angry because I killed your friend. Yes. Good. That was good. I think I'm just gonna chill at the nearest site of grace. And well, actually, before I go, I should see if I can give this guy some or maybe all of the like spell things I found. That was a big jump. Did I even take damage? I took no damage from that. I am invincible. I'm so strong. Fall damage is not a thing in this game. I mean, it is, but it's ridiculous. No, I'm gonna give you... I can't give you the things. Okay, you suck. I think I have to give them to Selin, who is somewhere over here. Yeah. Okay, let's see if I can give them to her, because if I don't do it now, I'm gonna forget I even found these things. Hello. Look at her head, by the way. It's kind of ridiculous. Give a scroll. The Academy scroll. It is. Yeah, I thought you'd know it. You're supposed to be a big girl. Yes, yes, yes. So, what did you learn? I don't even know. Swift. I think you didn't have this before. Yeah, I think that's new. Anyways, I'm gonna take this because it's the weakest one. No, wait, I should take the most expensive one. Now that I have money. I'm gonna get a scholar shield. Whatever this is. Yeah, whatever. How much? I can still get this. Carrion slicer. Great. Because here's the thing. I'm sure there's gonna be a trophy saying stuff like, oh, you got every single sorcery. So I know I'm gonna have to get them. So if I had money and I'm right there, might as well. Can you become a sorcerer though? This is the person. Remember at the beginning of this video, I was at a church and everything was red, scarlet, rotty. This was the person that was there. No, you still suck. Can I give this to you? Oh wait, there's no one to give anything to. I thought I had 2 scrolls, but no. The other was like a cookbook, right? Like a weird magic cookbook. Yeah, maybe I can do this because of it. Anyways, I never craft item. I never craft anything other than arrows. Great. Okay. So that's it. That was a test. I'll see, or maybe you can tell me at which volume it was best. So yeah, that was Elden. Let's leave. Still level 49. No level ups this time. But yeah, thank you. I'll see you later.